I started Solas Neon in 2018. I made a website, made a brand. I can make things, I can design things, I can visualize something from conception to creation. It's really rewarding because you see a lot of the work you've created. It's very satisfying to go and see things that you've done. Sandy has many years experience in terms of making neon. There is a higher technical skill in terms of what he does, but in a lot of ways, you know, I can't do this operation without him, and likewise he can't really do his work without me. To be honest, I really value his skills. Being the only sort of neon sign maker in town, yeah, it's a lot, and I think, you know, that did us very well, and we were able to sort of like really find those people who valued our skills. There's many clients and projects that we've worked on who really do value what we do. The KNIPEX installation pliers, a fantastically designed item, thoughtfully built for the maker, the electrician. You know, being able to strip things, cut things very easily in your hand. Having something like that that is of such good quality is second to none.